Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE X97, and today I will show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this phone. To get started, you want to pull down your notifications and swipe down once more to reveal entire list of toggles. Now on one of the pages you should see a power saving mode. So for me it's right over here, and it's called battery saver to be exact. Once you see this toggle, simply tap on it. It will bring up a message, turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns on dark theme and limits or turns off background activity, some visual effects, certain features, and some network connections. I love how it says some in almost every circumstance without ever specifying what it changes, which is a little bit annoying for everyone who might actually be interested to know what it changes. So to quickly just give you a TLDR, now, I could be wrong. I want to mention this. This is just from experience, which I know some phones tend to do, but not all. So the most important part in here will be the some network connections. What it means by some network connections, it means all network connections, meaning Wi-Fi and mobile data, when the device is not being used. So if we select turn on right now, and we lock the device, chances are pretty high that it will turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data after like 10 minutes of inactivity. Because of this, you won't be receiving updates from any application that requires internet connection. Just to name a few, that would be things like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, Mail, and so on. Any kind of app that needs to connect to network to get updates, notifications, yeah, that's kind of gone now. Now when you wake up the device again, it should automatically reconnect and give you the updates, but just to mention this, going back to it, it might be that the phone itself will be reconnecting to network every period of time. So if you're getting notifications but maybe they're substantially delayed to when they should be actually delivered to you, just know that this is the power saving fault. Now, going back to it, once you're done with the power saving mode and you want to turn it off, just find the toggle, tap on it, and everything should go back to functioning normally as it did before. Now, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.